how to transform your photo into Pixar style using ChatGPT. Hey guys, have you ever wondered what you'd look like as a Pixar character? You know, those cute, shiny 3D cartoon faces with big eyes and perfect lighting? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly how to turn your normal photo into a Pixar style character using just your phone and ChatGPT. What is Pixar style? Pixar-style art is a 3D cartoon look inspired by movies like Toy Story, Inside Out, and Turning Red. It's known for big expressive eyes, smooth skin textures, soft lighting, and that super polished animated feel. The cool part? You don't need to be a designer to create it anymore. To get started, here's what you'll need: your phone or laptop, a clear, well-lit selfie or portrait, ChatGPT Plus GPT-4 with image feature enabled, and one powerful AI prompt. Before of all, if you're not ChatGPT account, download in Google Play Store or App Store, then create account with your email. Then let's continue. Step 1, upload your photo. Go to ChatGPT, click the image icon or attach file, and upload your photo. Make sure your face is clearly visible with no heavy shadows or sunglasses. Step 2, write the prompt. Now, type in this prompt exactly or tweak it your way. Hi ChatGPT, please transform the uploaded photo into a Pixar-style cartoon character. Then press enter and let the magic happen. Step 3, let AI work. Wait a few seconds, and boom, your photo is now a Pixar character. Look at that, the eyes, the glow, the animation vibe, it's so cool. Step 4, how to download. There are two ways to download. First way, hold a phone in a few seconds, then you see this option, click Save. Second way, open or click a photo. After photo opening, click Save. After do it, your photo's saved in your device. Tips for better results. Use natural light for better facial clarity. Avoid filters or hats. Try adding backgrounds like Pixar bedroom or city street at sunset to level it up. You can even tweak the style. Try saying Pixar princess or Pixar superhero in the prompt. Where to use it. You can use your Pixar style image for profile pics, IG, TikTok, Twitter, creative reels or short videos, gifting someone a unique Pixar version of themselves, or just for fun. If you love this tutorial, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment below with Pixar Me. I'd love to see what you create. And stay tuned. Next up, we're doing Marvel-style AI portraits.